Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and all we have to do is tap on apps. Now let's tap on manage apps and here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see here we've got reset app preferences option, so let's tap on it. And now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you are ready, tap on reset apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Xiaomi Poco C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.